Go.
My name is Gabriel Chang. I am in second grade, and
In whose class?
in Ms. Greenberg's class.
These are some of my favorite things.
And
These are some pictures about me.
This is me on a cruise with my family. This is one of my favorite shows.
What's the name of the show?
Avatar.
The Last?
The Last Airbender.
Uh-huh.
From Nickelodeon. I'm at baseball. Me and Hannah on Halloween night.
Who are you dressed as?
I'm a Turtwig.
Okay.
My favorite toy
Is what?
is Ninjago.
Mm-hmm.
Going on the cruise ship
To where?
to Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite movie, Feeding a Dolphin at SeaWorld. My other favorite show, my favorite book on a cruise with.
Can you name it?
Oh yeah. Me and Hannah got
So here is
at Disney World. My favorite movie
Is?
is Star Wars. My baby sister River. My old friend Nestle.
Okay, now tell us
I get
about yourself.
question. I get
Tell us
question.
about yourself.
My full name is Gabriel Levin Chang. When I grow up, I would like to be an Olympian and doctor. Some things that I am good at are swimming, biking, tennis, and badminton. My birthday is July 12th. I am 7 years old. There are 5 people in my family. Their names are Francis, Daniel, Hannah, River, and me. I have 0 pets. Their names are things I like to do in my spare time. Reading. I feel happy when I relax. I feel sad when my mom yells at me. On rainy days, I like to play with Lego. On sunny days, I like to exercise. My favorite color is white. My favorite book is Power Pack. My favorite foods are oranges and pomegranates. My favorite movie is Lion King, and I also like Harry Potter, which I didn't add. I am most proud of playing piano. Anything else you want to add to the list? I like to work hard.
I got a question.
You
You don't get to ask question?
Yes, you do. But this isn't.
Where is that?
That's the world.
Where?
The world.
In what state?
Florida.
And what's that name of?
Avatar.
What's that about?